Class 84 relay stabilizer output or the functioning calculation. See, the control circuit will send signals such that R1 and R2 will operate according to these conditions. When the input voltage is within the desired range, that is say from 200 to 220. Okay, 200, say 200 to 230. At that time, control signal will send a signal such that relay 1 will be on. Relay 2, whatever it may be, no problem. See, when relay 1 is on, this will be in NO. When relay is off, the contact will be in NC, that you know. When relay is on, the contact will go to NO. Now, this is one common point. Output is same as here input. Now, when this is here, this is also touching the input other line. So, output will be exactly equal to input. No step down, no step up, no buck, no boost. Right. Now, say input voltage has increased, say from 230 to say 250 or 260. We don't want 260. We need in this range. We do not need even 240. Say if the input voltage is between 230 and 260. Okay, it is high voltage. Okay, if it is more than 260, it will trip. The stabilizer cannot give you output. But if it is more than 230 and less than 260, now what will happen is both the relays will be off. Okay, see, when both the relays are off, there will be step down operation. Let us see it. When both the relays are off, this will come to NC. This also will come to NC. Now, when this is in NC, you can see here, one is output here. Okay, input is equal to output line. Now, when this is here, the input line, you can see here, is kept open here. This will become like this. So, input voltage, it will come like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. This will be off. So, this also will be here now, like this.